Hi, hello, and welcome, guys. Today we are going to see about React Native push notification using Notifee. So, which is local notification. Before that, if you guys are new here, join into the Unbox Squad. Come on, guys. Today we are going to see about a local notification using Notifee. So, this is a continuation of the last video. If you guys are new here, please refer my last video, link in bio. So in this last video, going to we seen about how to trigger a local notification using Notifee. So we can able to customize the things also, right? So in this video, we can continue that along with that image viewer also. So you guys are able to see, right, file viewer. So in this notification, I'm just showing demo. So when I'm clicking this, will trigger a note. So last time we have seen about triggering only the notification. Here we have seen about we can able to view the image itself. When I'm clicking the image, we can able to see the image also. So this is the major one today we are going to achieve. So in this last video, we have added only few things, right? I'm just showing a demo. What are all the things we have changed? So I have introduced a file picker also. So using the picker, you can able to pick the file. You can able to view the file, right? So I have implemented the picker also. So picker file I am just calling from the app. So last video here itself we have added two push notification, right? When we are clicking the on press, we are directly triggering the local notification. But here we are doing some different thing. So I'm just calling the file picker. So in this file picker, I'm just mentioning one to keep a note of it. I will explain it later. So if it's image, it will be one. If it's document, it will be two. Directly come to the file picker. So if you guys need to know how to pick a file in Android or iOS, I have added the file picker documentation video also. If you guys need this, you can check my video. I'm just giving the link in bio. Okay, so I'm just directly simply giving an overview about this. So file picker is nothing but React Native file system. So in this file system, we can able to download the image directly to our mobile application. Oh, so that's the major one here. For the viewing the file from the notification, we need to download the image. So download the file. So I have added a file picker. So this React Native file picker. So using this React Native file picker, we can able to name as RNFS. So simply I'm just given an image, PDF, file name, content type, path. So this is the major one, RNFS dot download file. So in this download file, you can able to get the progress from URL to URL. If it's success, then it will trigger a local notification. Else, it will trigger a catch block. So need to know about more about file picker. Check my previous video. Fine, guys. So once the okay, wait. Before that, I'm just giving what image I have added. See, in this link, we are having an image. So this is the image, the online we have added, and also I'm just having the PDF also. So I'm just directly taken from online for a sample demonstration. If you guys are using this directly to your working application, you guys directly get it from backend, and then you guys give a link, it will download it. So the name I have given the value on 1 and 2 I have told, right. So initially we have seen only the triggering the image itself. In this video we are just showing the different types of image, like we can able to add JPG and also PDF also, how can we download. So the same thing I have given here. And then the additional thing, this is documentary, right? So RNFS dot document directory path. So here, document directory path is a path of our mobile application to image how to store. So what I told, we have seen about the document directory, right? And also we have a lot of things like download directory, all those things. So here we can able to see the things. So once it's done, I'm just triggering the local notification along with that the path. The path is nothing but where the document is exist in our mobile phone. Then I'm just giving the value file name. So let's go to the local notification. So in this local notification, I have added a few things, right? So the notify permission, date, channel ID, these things and all we have seen in the last video itself. So in this video, we are just seeing few things like mainly on the Android file. So in this Android, we can able to see the large icon, right? So once we are triggering the notification, we can able to see the miniature image. So that miniature image is nothing but large icon. So and also we can able to customize a text. So download successfully. The file name what I have added dollar business is successfully downloaded. So we can able to see, right? The problem here we need to notice is that when you are clicking directly through the notification, it should directly open from our mobile, right? There we facing a lot of problems. The problem we are facing is, right? So this state is called foreground and background. So this is the major important one. So in this last video have seen lot of requests from the people, like they are trying to ask me to put a video on foreground and background state. So this is the one. So this state is called foreground state, and also when it's background, this state is called background state. Two things we are having on. So firstly we are going to see about foreground state. So when I'm clicking on the foreground state, the image is directly opened. Here we can see lot of console. The first is foreground, and then the type is one, and then we have seen foreground opening image type 1, foreground 1, foreground opening image type 1 we have seen, right? So coming to here, so this is the one. This function will trigger irrespective to the file. So when you are clicking the local notification, so this function will trigger. So the problem, the mainly we have to notice is that if you are having the lot of things, mainly, okay, before that I'm just explaining what is foreground event. So in this foreground event type is one, right? Event type is one is nothing but when you are clicking the local notification, at the time event type will be one. Sometime directly it will trigger, at the time the type will be different. So if you are clicking directly to the press action, the type will be two. So like that we are having the different type. So once we got a thing, here I'm just opening the file. I'm just using a file viewer I have denoted previously, right? React Native file viewer. We have used this file viewer dot open. So this is nothing but a path. So here you guys have some question like why I have directly taken the path from here, the event dot detail dot notification dot data dot file. So what is that? We have given an event, right? So in this event we got detail. So this is the one. We got detail. Inside detail we are having notification. Inside notification we are having data. Inside data we are having the file. In that file we are having the file path. Why I need to dynamically taken this file path? What is the main requirement? The requirement is, if you are downloading a multiple image, may we there have a chance to confuse what image to open. For example, I have clicked on this same image for multiple times. So we got a multiple notification. Okay. If I need to open the first one, consider currently we have given a two statical image, but In real-time application, consider we are connecting directly to our backend. So each download we can get a different image. So different image should have different path. So we need to correctly configure the path to open. So when we are clicking this, directly it will open, right? So that's the problem. Without confusing, we are directly giving that directly to the data. So the name, the key I have given statically as a file. If you guys need to change anything, you guys can able to change. So I'm just directly taking from the path here and then giving it, it will open. So this is the main one. So we'll see the demo here. We have seen lot of problems in that. We are going to see lot of problems in that. We'll explain it later. Before that, we'll see the demo thing. Considered initially I have given image. So this is one. Secondly, I have given a document. Clicking again. Yeah, got it. See here, we have downloaded three things. The first thing will be image, second and third will be document. So last one what I have downloaded is a document. But now I'm just trying to open the image. The image should open. So avoiding this confusion only, we have given the path directly to the data. So when I'm clicking this image should open. Seen here, when I'm clicking back, again the same image has opened, right? Multiple times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 times. So no worries. I will give a solution for this. And also when I'm opening the document was opened. So document has opened only one times. When I'm opening the document was opened. See here, for the solution, okay, I'm just clearing the console. When I'm triggering the so it's not specific to the image or document, it's directly specific to the notification count. So when I'm clicking this, you guys able to see, right? Foreground event was called n times. So it's because we have used this notification uh, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 times. So 9 times foreground event was called. So that's the problem. So I told, right, initially it will be ID 3. When we are clicking this, it will be 1. See here, the foreground event was called 9 times. So the 9 times same image has opened. So that's the biggest disadvantage. So we can able to resolve this. You guys are able to know the concept called debouncing, right? So we are going to apply the debouncing here. If you guys don't know about debouncing, just check the Google. Debouncing in React Native. So in this debouncing, what they are telling, debouncing is an essential concept of JavaScript to play a crucial role of optimizing React Native application for better performance. So I'm just simply giving a thing. So see here, right? When they are clicking the multiple times, it should call only the one time. That's the thing. Same request coming for the multiple time, it should perform the only one thing. Hope you guys know about the API request cancellation, right? The same thing we are going to apply here. So if you guys know about API request cancellation, right? So API request cancellation nothing but same API is triggering within a fraction of second. So it will take only the one time and then it will cancel the other count of the API. So that's the main thing. The same concept we are applying here. The name is called debouncing. This is the major important concept, debouncing. So when we are applying this debouncing, it will definitely we can achieve this. Just commenting this. Clear timeout. Okay. So before that, we need to give a variable declaration. Let foreground event timeout colon any. Just copying this, paste here foreground event timeout. So next foreground event timeout equal to set timeout. So using the set timeout, we need to call a debouncing. Debounce foreground event. So we need to create a function called debouncing event. So I'm just creating the debouncing event in the top. Const debouncing event equal to async path of image. So we don't need that. So we are going to use type colon name comma details. Ah, yeah, addict. If type equal to event type dot press. So if it's success, then we should call a file opener. So we have seen the file opener here, right? You can cut the same thing. Visit from here. We have directly taken that to details. So type we have directly taken here. Fine. Just call a event type. Fine guys, we got a debouncing, right? So here instead of passing the event, okay, so fine. Hope I'm just removing the same thing, saving here. We'll check this code will work. Yeah, we have seen some problem here. If you are using the set timeout, we need to give a specific second. Currently, I'm just giving a 1 second. For 1 second, we should give us thing 1000. So fine, guys. So when I'm clicking this, notification is triggering. Clicking again. See, we have seen foreground was triggered. Clicking the third thing, foreground was triggered 3 times. I'm just removing that. Oh, sorry, I have clicked outside. more is triggering the notification again. The fourth time it was triggered. So when I'm opening this, okay, we face some issue. The issue is like the type is not defined. Okay, so event we have got from here. We are directly giving the event here. No worries. Okay, the type. So this is the type we have taken, but problem here we are facing some issue. Okay, yes, this is a detail. Fine, guys. We face some issue. Okay, so when I'm clicking this, notification was triggered 4 times. I'm just canceling this. When I'm clicking this, okay, again we face some issue. What is an issue? Choose like type not defined. Okay, I think we need to re-render the application. Just re-rendering the application. So the debouncing is a concept to minimize the request what we are getting. So for repeating the same request, when we are using the debouncing, it will reduce to only once. Okay, we got yes. Coming back only once. That's it, guys. Hope you guys understood the foreground event. So the same as we are going to see the background event. So it's a very simple one. Notifee dot on background event. So that's this is the function. You just copy paste the whole thing from the foreground event. Though simple, we have learned background event also. The background event is nothing but when your app is in background state. At the time when you're clicking the notification, background event will trigger. When app is in running state, at the time you're clicking the notification, the foreground event will trigger. Hope you guys learned a new thing today. Please give a thumbs up, do a subscribe, support me for more videos. Bye bye, guys.